And good day. Today we're looking at this. It's a multi-function rolling knife sharpener. Comes in a rather attractive box, and you'll be storing obviously the device in it after you've used it. You've got very easy to follow instructions. You've got the actual wooden sharpening block. You've got two angles. You've got a 15 degree and a 20 degree. And the rolling sharpener itself, let's pop that out, get the box out of the way. You've got a diamond pad on one side and you've got a ceramic one on the other. This is the finishing surface and that is the grinding surface. I'll be using the 20 degree angle, just happen to have a knife, and we will test it to see what it's like. I think you can get the idea that it's quite blunt. So we'll pop it on the 20 degree angle, sit it down flat, and we'll start grinding away. And this will take a while. I've spent a bit of time with the rolling knife sharpener, so we'll see if there's an improvement in cutting paper. I think that's a definite improvement. So I can honestly say this rolling knife sharpener works.